Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we will learn how can we open a saved file in Microsoft Excel. So first of all, you have to open a blank page and to have a view of save file, to work on the saved file, to edit the save file. What we're gonna do is we'll just click on files. Just click on files and here you will have an option that is open. Just click on that. Now on the right of your screen, you'll have a list of files that are saved in the form of Excel. So for example, I'll select this one. As you can see, the same file, the same worksheet is now activated and I can edit or work according to the settings. Okay. So this is the way to open a saved file, guys. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.